Today we're finishing our first super yacht project with Finsulate. The past 2 days we've been applying this Hazen 30-meter Hazen yacht. As you can see, the work is almost done. Two guys, Patrick and Matthijs, they're finishing off the job. All the hull is done, but we also keep an eye on the details like bow thrusters. We pull it all the way around in strips, and of course the stabilizers. You can see how we do it with the Finsulate, the polyester Finsulate film. It's a bit stiff, so that's why we use strips in the difficult areas like that, and then the bigger pieces we can cover as one. Make small strips here on the bottom on the edges, trim the edges, and then of course it's not just the outside, but if possible we also do the inside, the more difficult areas.